This is a syllabus for the proving of the Form 4 syllabus and also Form 5 syllabus. So I will start with the first proving, start from Form 4. Given that function fx equal to x squared and the x is greater or equal 0 and gx is equal to negative square root x and the range of x is greater or equal 0. Find composite function fgx and gfx, hence determine whether gx is the inverse function of the fx or not. State your reason. This kind of question is called proving. So, solution. First of all, we have to start with the fgx is equal to the function f with the object gx. Alright, and we will substitute the function gx, which is negative square root x, inside, and the whole function will be square, and we will get fgx equal to x. Alright, first thing we will start with this fgx equal to fgx, and then let's go to the function given. Gx is negative square root x, so we will substitute in. Need to square the whole function of the gx. And if we simplify negative with square, we get positive, right? Square root x times square root x, you will get x. So that's why you prove that you got fgx equal to the x, which is the object. X is the object. Gfx. Okay? Composite gfx. And then the gfx, the function gx is given here, right? It's negative square root x. So we have to use the function g, and we will substitute the fx. Fx was given x squared, right? Here. So the object now is a fx, and the function is the g. So negative is there, we will get negative x, right? So the gfx is given answer negative x, because gfx not equal to x, right? So gx is not the inverse of the fx. So in order to prove that it is the inverse of the fx, we must show that we will get x. Since we are getting gfx is equal to negative x, so conclusion is gx is not the inverse function of the fx. The first proving is proving the fx equal to x squared and gx equal to negative square root x. Find fgx, find gfx, and then determine that gx is the inverse function of fx or not. State your reason. So we found out that gx is not the inverse function of the fx, because if it is the inverse, you will get the x.